Hello and welcome. In this video, you're going to see equations related to trigonometry. So, we're going to see quadratic trigonometric equations. In my first example, I'm going to use a sine function. So, this is our example. So, for all values of angle x, the equation 2 sine squared x minus 5 sine x minus 3 equals 0. As you can see, this is a trigonometric equation and it's a quadratic as we have square here on the sign. To solve this equation, you should be able to solve a simple polynomial quadratic equation like this one. 2y squared minus 5y minus 3 equals 0. Actually, this is similar to this one. The only difference is sine x is taken as y. So one of the ways to solve this is factorizing. You can factorize this polynomial into a factor of two linear expressions, y minus 3 and 2y plus 1. You can check 2y times y is 2y squared. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. And then the middle term, you get it by multiplying 2y by minus 3. That's minus 6y. And 1 by y, that's plus 1y. Simplify to get minus 5y. This gives you y minus 3 equals 0 or 2y plus 1 equals 0. And you get the two roots, y equals 3 or y equals minus half. So y equals 3, that means for this equation, sine x equals 3. Okay? And y equals minus half, that means sine x equals minus half. So as you can see, solving this leads to solving a quadratic equation. And the roots are the values of sine x. After that, you solve sine x equals 3 and sine x equals minus 0.5. For sine x equals 3, you can just state that it has no solutions. Why? Because the sine cannot get a value outside its range between 1 and minus 1, and 3 is outside the range. Then you move to the next equation. Sine x equals minus 0.5. You use the sine inverse to get your angle. So you get your solutions. One of them is minus 30 degrees, of course, plus multiples of the period. And the second one is you get it by using the rule 180 minus the angle you get here, which is minus 30. So your second solution is 220 plus 360k, multiple of 360, because it says for all values. Whenever you see for all values, you have to add to one of your solution or any of your solutions multiples of the period 360. K is an integer. So these are your solutions. Okay, so as simple as this, solve a quadratic. As soon as you get your solutions, each one of them is a sine, and then solve your sine equations. And I have another video showing you how to solve this type of equation, simple ones. Now, try this. Solve for all values of angle x, the equation 2 cosine square x minus 5 cosine x minus 3 equals 0. I advise you to pause this video, solve it, and come back to check your solution. Okay, welcome back. You get one of your solutions, 120 plus 360k, and the other one is 240 plus 360k, and k is an integer. How to get 240? This is the difference between cosine equation and sine equation. Use 360 minus the first angle, 120. You get your 240. That's it, and this is the end. Thank you for watching and good luck.